Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk about avocados, not just a delicious fruit, but a true superfood. We all want that natural energy boost to conquer the day, right? But what if I told you that the key to unlocking incredible health benefits could be sitting in your fruit basket? Avocados are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that can transform your health. Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, and knowing you're giving your body the nutrients it craves. In this video, we'll dive deep into the amazing world of avocados and explore 5 incredible ways they can benefit your health. From boosting your heart health to giving you glowing skin, you'll discover why avocados deserve a prime spot in your diet. Stick around to the end for some delicious and easy ways to add this superfood to your daily routine. Let's start with the incredible nutrient profile of avocados. These fruits are not just delicious but also packed with a wealth of nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. These green gems are bursting with essential vitamins and minerals that your body craves. They are a true superfood, offering a wide range of health benefits. We're talking vitamins K, C, E, and B6 along with folate, magnesium, and potassium. It's like a multivitamin in a single fruit. These nutrients are vital for maintaining overall health and well-being. Think of it this way. Each bite of avocado is like giving your body a powerful dose of natural energy and vitality. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your daily nutrient intake. These vitamins and minerals play crucial roles in everything from supporting your immune system to maintaining healthy blood pressure. They help your body function optimally and keep you feeling your best. And let's not forget about the fiber content. Fiber is an often overlooked but essential part of a healthy diet. Avocados are packed with dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps to keep your digestive tract running smoothly and efficiently. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and keeps things moving smoothly. It's a key component in maintaining digestive health and overall wellness. Now you might be thinking, Dr. Mike, how do I incorporate more avocados into my diet? The good news is that there are countless ways to enjoy this versatile fruit. Well, it's easier than you think. Avocados can be added to a variety of dishes, making it simple to include them in your daily meals. One of my favorite ways is to start the day with avocado toast. It's a quick and nutritious breakfast option that can be customized to your taste. Simply mash some avocado onto whole grain toast and sprinkle it with some salt, pepper, and a dash of red pepper flakes for a kick. You can also add other toppings like tomatoes or a poached egg for extra flavor and nutrition. It's a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your morning. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying and keeps you full for longer. You can also add avocado slices to your smoothies for a creamy and satisfying boost. The possibilities are endless. Whether in salads, sandwiches, or even desserts, avocados can enhance the flavor and nutritional value of any meal. Now let's talk about heart health, something we should all be mindful of. Avocados are abundant in monounsaturated fats, often hailed as the heart-healthy fats. Think of these fats as a protective shield for your heart, helping to reduce bad cholesterol levels, LDL cholesterol, and increase good cholesterol levels, HDL cholesterol. This balance is crucial in preventing plaque buildup in your arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. We're constantly bombarded with information about what to eat for a healthy heart, and it can get overwhelming. But incorporating avocados into your diet is a simple and delicious way to show your heart some love. Instead of reaching for that butter or margarine, try spreading mashed avocado on your sandwiches. It adds a creamy texture and a boost of healthy fats. You can also use avocado oil in your cooking, as it has a high smoke point and is ideal for sautéing and baking. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your heart health, and avocados are a delicious step in the right direction. I know what you might be thinking, Dr. Mike, avocados are high in fat. How can they possibly help with weight management? It's a valid question and one that many people have. The answer lies in understanding the type of fat that avocados contain. It's a common misconception, but the truth is not all fats are created equal. There are good fats and bad fats, and avocados are packed with the good kind. While avocados do contain fat, it's primarily the good kind monounsaturated fat, which can actually aid in weight management. These fats are known to support heart health and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. These healthy fats, combined with the fiber content in avocados, promote satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing those pesky cravings. Fiber is essential for digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Imagine this, you're trying to eat healthy and lose weight, but you're constantly feeling hungry and deprived. This can lead to overeating and making poor food choices. It's a recipe for disaster. Feeling deprived can make it difficult to stick to a healthy eating plan. Avocados can help break this cycle by providing your body with the nutrients and satisfaction it needs to stay on track. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, including potassium, which is important for muscle function and overall health. Instead of drenching your salads in heavy calorie-laden dressings, try using avocado as a creamy base. This not only adds flavor but also boosts the nutritional value of your meal. Simply mash some avocado with a little lemon juice, salt and pepper for a delicious and healthy dressing. It's a simple swap that can make a big difference. You can also add avocado to your smoothies or use it as a substitute for mayonnaise in sandwiches and wraps. This not only enhances the taste but also adds a creamy texture without the extra calories. The key is to make smart swaps and incorporate avocado into your diet in a way that supports your weight management goals. By doing so, you can enjoy delicious meals while staying on track with your health and fitness journey. Now let's move on to something I know many of you are interested in: beauty benefits. Avocados are not just a delicious addition to your diet, they are also a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your skin and hair. Avocados aren't just for eating, they can also work wonders for your skin and hair. Packed with essential vitamins and healthy fats, they offer a natural way to enhance your beauty routine. Imagine having glowing skin and lustrous hair. Who wouldn't want that? The nutrients in avocados can help you achieve just that, giving you a radiant and healthy appearance. Well, the vitamins and healthy fats in avocados can help make that a reality. They are rich in vitamins A, D, and E, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Avocados are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and E, which help protect your skin from free radical damage, one of the leading causes of premature aging. These antioxidants are crucial in maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness. These antioxidants help fight off those pesky wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Regular use of avocado-based products can significantly improve your skin's texture and tone. And it doesn't stop there. The benefits of avocados extend beyond just the surface of your skin. The healthy fats in avocados, particularly oleic acid, help moisturize your skin from the inside out. This deep hydration is key to maintaining a soft and supple complexion. They penetrate deep into the skin's layers, providing long-lasting hydration and leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. This makes avocados an excellent choice for those with dry or sensitive skin. For a natural glow, try a DIY avocado face mask. It's simple, effective, and free from harsh chemicals. Simply mash half an avocado and apply it to your face for 15 to 20 minutes. This mask will nourish your skin, leaving it feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Rinse it off with warm water and you'll be amazed at how soft and refreshed your skin feels. It's a quick and easy way to give your skin a boost. Don't forget about your hair. Avocados can also work wonders for your locks. The vitamins and minerals in avocados can also strengthen hair follicles, promote hair growth, and add shine. Regular use of avocado hair masks can make your hair stronger and more resilient. So indulge in those avocados for a head-to-toe glow. Whether you eat them or apply them, avocados are a versatile and powerful addition to your beauty regimen. Let's talk about something we don't always discuss openly: digestive health. It's an essential aspect of our overall well-being, and avocados can play a significant role in keeping things running smoothly. Think of avocado as a gentle cleanse for your gut. It's packed with dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which are crucial for a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut, helping to soften stool and prevent constipation. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool and helps move things along your digestive tract, promoting regularity and preventing digestive discomfort. But it's not just the fiber content that makes avocados digestive superheroes. They also contain enzymes such as lipase, which helps break down fats, making them easier to digest. Incorporating avocado into your diet is as simple as adding it to your favorite dishes. You can slice it onto salads, add it to smoothies, or enjoy it as a snack with some whole grain crackers. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut, and avocados can help you achieve both. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible ways avocados can benefit your health. From boosting your nutrient intake to supporting your heart, managing your weight, enhancing your beauty, and promoting digestive health, Avocados are truly a versatile superfood. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to improve your health and well-being, I encourage you to incorporate more avocados into your diet. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and incorporating nutrient-rich foods like avocados is a step towards a healthier and happier you. Until next time, stay healthy. Stay